with Good Day in Space. Today we're here with the fraction of Jupiter's moons and our very own Earth moon. Let's learn a little bit about each moon that's here with me today.
Hi, I'm Earth's moon. A moon is a satellite. A satellite is a moon, planet, or a machine that orbits a planet or a star. So I'm a satellite and of course a moon. I have rocky surfaces, but I'm not made out of cheese. I have mountains and valleys on me. I have been hit by many asteroids, and that's how craters have formed on me. If you look very closely, you can still see footprints on me from when Neil Armstrong walked on me in 1969. That's because I have no wind.
That's a lot of information. How amazing. Nice to meet you, Earth's moon. Now let's turn to Jupiter's moons. Jupiter has 69 moons, but Jupiter's 4 largest moons have come to talk to me today.
We are Jupiter's 4 largest moons. We are called the Galileo satellites because Galileo discovered us in 1610. You will notice that we're different in size, color, and length of orbit around Jupiter.
Hi, I'm Io. I'm Jupiter's colorful moon. All my colors are due to sulfur. Jupiter's gravity causes me to have tides on my solid surface. I also have volcanoes on my surfaces.
Hi, I'm Europa. I'm mostly made of water and ice. Scientists think I have twice as much water as Earth does. Because of all my water, astrobiologists, people who study life in space, think there might be life on me. One day you Earthlings might find out.
I'm Ganymede. I'm the largest moon in the solar system, even larger than planet Mercury.
I'm Callisto. I'm full of craters from asteroids hitting me. Ouch! But thankfully, asteroids haven't hit me in a while.
It's nice to meet you all. Thank you for introducing yourselves.
Wow, that's a lot of information about those 4 moons. 69 moons? That's a lot more moons than Earth has. I'm alone. There's no one to keep me company.
Thankfully, you have people looking up at you every night. How come one night you look one way and a few nights later you look totally different?
That's a good question. Those are my moon phases. Let's start the first stage, the new moon. This is the phase when a solar eclipse may happen, although there isn't a solar eclipse every month. During this phase, you can't see me from Earth. Some people call this no moon. This is when I'm located between the sun and the Earth. My lit side is facing away from Earth. My second phase is called waxing crescent. Your Earthlings can start to see my lit side. I look like a crescent roll or a banana during this phase. Waxing means growing or expanding. My third phase is first quarter moon because people call this phase the half moon, but it's called first quarter because I'm the first quarter of my revolution around Earth. My fourth phase is the waxing crescent, gibbous. Gibbous means humped or swollen. My fifth phase is full moon. It is very easy to see me during this full moon. I look like a big round plate in the sky. Also, the full moon is the only time lunar eclipse can happen, although this doesn't happen every month. My sixth phase is waning gibbous. Waning gibbous is the opposite of waxing gibbous. This is when my lit side starts to move away from the Earth. Waning means shrinking. My seventh phase is third quarter. The third quarter looks like the first quarter, but the opposite side is lit. My final phase is waning crescent. It looks like the waxing crescent, but the opposite side is lit. Then I start my phases again with new moon.
Hey, I go through those phases too.
Me too.
Me 3.
Me 4.
Wow, you all go through those same phases? How cool!
Some of us orbit fast while others are slowpokes.
Hey, I'm not a slowpoke.
Well, you do take 28 days to orbit Earth.
Very funny. Thank you, Earth's moon and Jupiter's moons, for meeting with me today. We hope you learned a lot about the day and the life of a moon. See you next time on another episode of
Good Day in Space.